everyone, my name is Vagisha Vartika and I have been recently selected in TCS Ninja Profile. I am currently pursuing my Master of Technology from BIT Mesra Ranchi in Electrical Discipline. I gave my written examination on 25th of October. My interview was scheduled on 25th November and the final results came recently, that is on 25th December. So coming to the written part first. In written part, the pattern was same as stated by TCS. It consisted of aptitude, reasoning, English, MCQ-C questions, or we can see it as debugging questions, and then C code. So in all the section except the C code section, I was able to solve around 80 to 90% of the question. My reasoning was a bit strong, so I could solve the 90% of the question, but I was not able to compile any of the code. Though I wrote one code completely, but it did not compile. So you can easily understand that in the coding part, none of my codes compiled. Uh, so the results came on 25th of November, and they said that the interview would be scheduled anytime between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and they will give us a call. So I got my call around 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and they said me to join. And there was three panelists. One was the TR, that is the technical. One was the managerial part, and one was the HR part. The TR first asked me to introduce myself. In my introduction part, I saw Anshul's video and how he told us that how should we introduce ourselves in short span of time, giving maximum number of points. So I told him my interest in the field of technology, my current project. Then he went on to explain me about my current project. My current project is based upon neural network control of converters. So I explained him properly because I know each and every tits and bits about it. Then he asked me, okay, you have a fairly good idea on your project. I mentioned in my resume that I was currently pursuing Amazon AWS Cloud Practitioner, but that resume was 1 month old. So he asked me, okay, what do you know about cloud? And he asked me some of the questions on cloud computing. That is, what is CloudWatch? If a person is sitting in Mumbai, can he use the service provider in Los Angeles? Then what are the some of the demerits of cloud computing, so on and so forth. He asked me five questions, and I was only able to answer three questions. Then he moved on to ask me some of the difficult questions in cloud computing. So I knew that he was switching on to cloud computing and I was not able to answer him properly. So I honestly told him that, sir, I was pursuing this course and my free tier limit got expired. So I'm not in touch with this course anymore. I only have idea till this. So he was very much understanding and cooperative. And he said, okay, then what do you want to know? I told him that, sir, you can ask me any question related to C, OOPS, or neural network. So he went on to ask some of the questions in C programming, that is, what is an array, what is pointer, what is a dangling pointer. And then he told me to write a code for 2 cross 2 matrix multiplication. And he told me to open Notepad, share my screen, and write the code there. Although I do not remember if my code was correct or not, but he told me that, okay, it's fine. And I further asked him that, sir, if you want to ask any more technical questions, I'm open to it. But he said, no, I'm satisfied. And he transferred me to the managerial interviewer. Now, the managerial interviewer told me that since you are pursuing your MTech, why do you want to join TCS? Again, Anshul's channel, Tech and Target, helped me a lot in this because we were given a very short period of time for the interview. We were informed in the night before, that is on the 24th of November, that our interview was scheduled on 25th November in the morning, and we did not know the exact time. So and I was preparing 1 month before, just after I gave my written exam, I started preparing from Tech and Target channel only, that how to give some of the answers, because Anshul's video was coming every now and then to give tips on Cognizant and TCS both. So that helped me a lot. And in the short period of time, I could only prepare myself because of his videos. So he asked me, why do you want to join TCS? And after that, he asked me who is the current CEO of TCS. So I could not remember who was the current CEO. I told him the former CEO, which I could remember, and then he said, "Okay, the current CEO is so and so." He was very cooperative and calm. Then he asked me one question, that what if your subordinates do not cooperate on working? What will you do in that situation? Again, this question was told by Anshul in one of the videos, so I was quite mentally prepared for questions like this. Then he asked me, tell me one difficult situation of your life and how did you handle it? I could not recollect a particular situation, but it was very impromptu, and I remembered one of my college days when I was working as an editor of the college magazine. So I told him that once there was a mistake in my article, and the director, he himself got to correct me. That was a difficult situation, but I could handle it in calm and composed manner. So he was satisfied with my answer, and then he said, "Okay, I'm cool with it." And one thing also, he asked me, "What are your hobbies?" And what do you believe that how do you believe that your hobbies motivate you for your technology part also? That is, my hobby is writing. So he asked me, how do you think that writing and technology can be correlated, and how do you maintain a balance between them? So I answered that. He was satisfied, and then he transferred me to the HR. The HR first asked me. She was also very calm and composed, and she was very cooperative. All the panelists, let me tell you, all the panelists were very cooperative in nature. She asked me that why don't you pursue writing as your career? I answered whatever came into my mind, that writing is definitely my hobby, but my passion is technology. She was okay with my answer, and then she asked, how are you okay with any relocation or not? Like, if we relocate you in Kochi, are you okay with that or not? Then she asked me some of the questions like, how do you believe that your hobby can motivate you regarding your passion? How do you differentiate hobby and passion? So I answered that also. And then she asked me, are you okay to work in night shifts? I answered yes, ma'am, because I believe that you should never say no to these questions, because they are there to hire you only if you support them, only if you agree to their demands or the conditions which they put you on. They also know that they'll be very flexible with you, but you have to answer them cooperatively. So I answered her, yes, ma'am, I'm completely okay with working in night shifts and any location of the world or the country. At the end, she asked me if I have any questions for her. I asked her that if I get selected, what if what will be my domain of working? Then she told that it completely depends on your project. And yes, one thing more she asked that what if you want to work in TCS neural network domain, for example, in any project neural network related to neural network, but we place you in different domain, what are you going to do then? I answered that I'm completely okay with getting in any domain, because willingly like to work in TCS, and domain can be adjusted every now and then. So that was all about my interview. And she said, okay, all the best, see you soon. Yeah, she said all these things. Okay, all the best, and that's all. After that, the interview got over, and my results came on 25th of December, stating that I have been selected in the TCS Ninja profile, and that's how all my interview went. uh, Coming to the technical part, I think you should be very much thorough with the questions related to C programming, or the basic of the any language which you are comfortable in. Also, you should be thorough with your project, uh, and some of the basic HR questions which can easily be found on the Tech and Target channel. I would heartily like to thank Anshul and the channel and his channel Tech and Target, because that helped me a lot. And I'm sure that channel is going to help many other people out there who are confused at what to prepare and how to prepare in a short span of time. That's all about my interview, and that's all about my experience. Thank you, everyone.